There's also gloves in this event that I didn't get last Christmas, and I was so close to getting. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to beat this boss fight. And to do that, we need to go get 7 snow peeps, and I know exactly where they are. There's one. If I can get it, there we go. And there's another one over here. I'm gonna get the ones. Yeah. So there's one on Castle Island. There's one on the chain. There's one on the